It's your girl, Rich Soul, back at you again. And yes, we are at Applebee'S. Woo, Lord, when I tell you, I haven't had Applebee'S as far as the Riblets goes since the summer. So, I placed me an order. And, wow. They gave me a big coleslaw. That's different. And, their riblets. They didn't have no wet naps. So I had to go into the bathroom, y'all, and get some paper towel. I'm trying to tell you, people don't appreciate what they get. Absolutely not. All right, let's get this bad boy open. Ooh, the steam is still coming from it. And I love sweet Asian chili sauce. And they fries. Today was a nice day. It was raining a little bit. My earrings keep falling off. They ain't nothing but 99 cents, but I'm like, please hold on until I get my stimulus check. It's time to take one of these down. I had to dive in, y'all. I haven't had this in a minute. I love Applebee'S Riblets. Make sure I eat these fries up before they get cold. It's nice out today, though. Just had a little bit of rain, but So Donald Trump finally uncrossed his arms, unfolded his arms to say, we can get a little something. I just feel so sorry for people that's just, this is real out here and they just taking it so lightly, and it's just sad. And all because he lost the election, he basically got in his feelings. Ain't nobody got time for that. Because we can't stop paying bills. People thought voting for a reality show, reality TV show person was going to make a difference. Now we on Survivor. Now we on Survivor. Now we on a reality show, Survivor. Okay? It's crazy. I love Applebee'S fries. Yes. I'm right across the street from this place called Rockin' Crab. Their food is the bomb. They got seafood over there. And all kinds of stuff. I'll get that this week too. Applebee's got some new stuff on the menu, y'all. I may come back tomorrow for Taco Tuesdays because they have this fajita roll up that I want to try. So I'll probably bet they're gonna be like, didn't you just come here yesterday? Yeah, sorry. Sometimes you just gotta shut up and eat. Especially when it's good. I got 3 of them up. They normally sauce it up pretty good. I'm just so hungry. But I'll have to go in there and get me some more sauce. Let me see how this coleslaw tastes. Let's see how the coleslaw tastes, y'all. Is it like KFC or better? Because I love KFC. Even though they chicken ain't the same like it used to be, but I still love their coleslaw. So here it is. Okay. I like this location anyway. Even though they didn't sauce up my sweet, put a lot of sauce on it, but I like this location. This is good. Real good. Real hot girl. Shh. Yeah. That's banging. That's definitely banging. When my made up wet not bad. Oh, y'all. Okay, I just want to stop in real quick. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Until next time, peace and love. Mwah.